What's up, everybody? Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, November 22nd, 2020, and these are the top 5 things to watch this week on Wall Street. Let's start it off with number 1. Like it or not, coronavirus-related headlines are likely to dictate market sentiment once again in the week ahead. Cases continue to soar across the country with new infections approaching 200,000 in a day. Total cases have topped 12 million. Just to put that into context, we were at about 11 million just a week ago. So the rise has almost been exponential when you compare the curves during the first and second waves in the spring and summer and where we are right now. Any additional flare-up on this front will likely be negative for risk assets. Public health officials are also urging people to stay at home and give up on holiday gatherings. With the Thanksgiving holiday just a few days away, we'll see if Americans follow those guidelines. On to number 2. Speaking of Turkey Day, Wall Street will have a shortened week of trading ahead. The stock market will remain shut on Thanksgiving Day Thursday and will then close early at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. There will, however, be a full slate of earnings and economic data releases in the days prior as investors monitor further developments on the lingering health crisis. On to number 3. Retailers are once again among the companies reporting their latest financial results as the third quarter earnings season winds down on Wall Street. Best Buy, which reports on Tuesday morning ahead of the opening bell, will likely attract most of the attention. I highlighted the consumer tech retailer, which is forecast to report double-digit EPS and revenue growth as my stock of the week in my new Sunday post for Investing.com. So go check that out later on. Dollar Tree, Nordstrom, Gap, and Burlington stores are some of the other retail sector names are reporting. Other notable tech companies also on deck in the week ahead include Autodesk, HP, and Dell. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results. On to number 4. On the data front, the U.S. will see a relatively busy week in terms of economic releases, with the second reading on Q3 GDP expected to draw most of the focus. The report is due on Wednesday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and is expected to show that the economy grew by a record 33.1%. If confirmed, that would be unrevised from the initial reading. Other important data in the week ahead include durable goods as well as personal income and spending figures. And finally, number 5, on the central bank front, the Federal Reserve releases the minutes of its previous meeting on Wednesday afternoon, and that could be important as we watch to see if the Fed drops any hints on potential changes to its asset buying program. There has been growing speculation in recent weeks that the Fed could increase the size and duration of its $80 billion QE program at its upcoming December meeting. So stay tuned for that as well. That's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For those tuning in on the podcast, thank you for listening. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.